Hey there, I'm Mr. Stager. Welcome to Wind Ensemble Symphonic Band Jazz Ensemble, or I guess Jazz Messengers and Jazz Ambassadors. Um, I guess I'm going to give you a quick lay down, but first of all, yeah, nothing really too new in my life. I know this is kind of a get to know me kind of thing a little bit. I did lose 50 pounds this summer. That's kind of neat. I have a cat. Her name's Ashley. And I guess I'll never quiz your students, but your students should know my cat's name by the end of this year. I think that's a very important thing to know. But either way, um, yeah, a couple things about the classes that you may be wondering because of COVID performances. We're going to start with doing some recordings, and the first recording will be released around end of Octoberish. But when we can do in-person performances, we will. Okay, lessons will start up in about a week. Um, but yeah, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, I'd rather answer them in a nice, quick manner than like build up or anything like this question you've been having, and then all of a sudden, you know, just let me know. Okay, I'm very happy to communicate with y'all, and I sent you like 15 emails this last week, so I hope I communicate enough. That's gonna slow down. I'm gonna try to do one or two a week only, but I want to make sure you're on top of things. Okay, calendars won't be released because none of the dates are really set in stone. If you really are wondering when things generally are, I can let you know. But uh, you know, honestly, this year we're gonna play things by ear, which is very hard for me to say. Like having everything just ready to go, but let's do it. Okay, it'll be a fun year. It will be. So, and I'm loving the students that I have this year. It is already, they're just making me smile all over the place. So, all right, see you later. Bye.